Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Insight with Dara. So today we'll be learning how to cut a basic plain sleeve. So this is a long sleeve. What I do is to use my finished armhole round. If you measure a blouse or any clothes you're sewing, the finished armhole, it will determine what you are going to be having here. Like my finished armhole for a blouse, I'm making it to be 9 inches here. So when you get your 9 inches, at the edge from this side, you mark 5 inches. This is a basic plain sleeve. You go down by 5 inches, then the midpoint of the 9 inches will be 4.5, like we have here, 4.5. Then at the center here, we'll go down by 1 inch. So when you have your 1 inch, you connect it like this. Then when you are getting to the 5 inches, you slant like this. Then you mark your sleeve round from where I have this 10. I'm working with the sleeve round of 10 inches. Divide by 2 will give me 5 inches. Then the seam allowance of 2 inches, like this. So at this point you have 5 inches. You know, we marked from the top here to here 5 inches. You come down by 1 inch, then you connect here to this place. Then you calculate your ricks. If you can see my hand, you calculate the ricks here. So it's going to be, mine is 4 inches. 4 inches, then additional 2 inches for seam allowance. Then you connect here to here. So this is it. So you cut like this. The reason why I move down by 1 inch here is to give room for extension if there's any need. Maybe you want to increase the armhole round the sleeve. If you want to increase it here, you can increase it. So that's why we came down by 1 inch. So this is a long sleeve. So I'm going to be cutting the short sleeve right now. So I'm folding my material like this. So I said the number one thing you should do is to know what your finished armhole is. So this is it here. I'm still working with 9 inches. So I'll rule out the 9 inches. So from the 9 inches, you get the midpoint, the center, that is 4.5 inches. So at the point you have the 4.5, you come down by 1. Then at this extreme edge, you come down by 5 inches. So you connect it like this. So you connect it like this. Then you calculate your sleeve round. We are still working with sleeve round of 5 inches. This is the 5 inches plus additional 2 for seam allowance. Then you connect it. Remember to come down by 1 inch here. Then you connect it like this. So basically this is it here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it. So this is it right here. This is what we have. This is for the short sleeve. So if this video has been helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my video and give my video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.